when we represent uh, data, we always represent the uncertainty in the measurement. So we have the value recorded. This introduction I gave in the last session, the concept of uncertainty. This is a recorded value or the value which we record. The fractional part which we are not certain, that is known as uncertainty. Okay. And this is also known as absolute uncertainty, the exact value of the uncertainty. If you want the percentage uncertainty, so percentage uncertainty is actually equals to the uncertainty divided by the measured value or the recorded value multiplied by 100. Like if I want to find the uncertainty of this measurement, so uncertainty is 0.1, the measured value or the value which we recorded, that is 4.7, and then multiplied by 100, that will give us the uncertainty in this measurement. Now, today's topic is how to work out the compound uncertainties. Compound uncertainties, like example, if you collect two or more physical quantities and you want to work out the uncertainty of the group or a data, how you can work out the uncertainty. So there are different ways. There are different ways to work out. So example, if we have a group data and we want to find the uncertainty so if example, we measure the length L1, the length L1 is example 30 centimeter with an uncertainty of 0.1 centimeter, and we measured the second length example L2, so that is 20 centimeter plus minus 0.1 centimeter. So this is representing the measured value or the recorded value, and the fractional part, that is representing the absolute uncertainty or uncertainty. Same thing, this is a measured value or the recorded value, and here this is representing the absolute uncertainty. Now, if I want to find the uncertainty, like today's topic is about the compound uncertainties. When we have different physical quantities and we want to work out the compound uncertainty, so it depends on the formula. Example, if I want to work out the compound uncertainty for addition of the quantities, so I want to measure L, which is a sum of L1 plus L2. So L1 is equals to 30 and L2 is equals to 20. RV means recorded value or the measured value. So the sum of L1 plus L2, that is equals to 50. But what about the uncertainty? So whenever the two quantities are added, the uncertainty will add as well. So what will be the total uncertainty in the measurement? The uncertainty in value of L1 is 0.1 and the uncertainty in the value of L2 is 0.1. So what is the total uncertainty? The total uncertainty will be 0.2 centimeter. Why the total uncertainty is 0.2? Because see, if we have L, this L can have a minimum value or this L can have a maximum value. What will be the minimum value of L? Because L is the sum of L1 plus L2. So what will the minimum value of L when the value of L1 and L2 are smaller? So means this will be 29.9, the value of L1. And what about the value of L2 if it is 19.9? So when we add them, what we will get? We'll get 48 point or 49.8. That's a minimum value of L. What will the maximum value of L? The maximum value of the L when L1 and L2 have the highest value. So what could be the highest value for L1? So the highest value of L1 will be 30.1. And what is the highest value for L2? It will be 20.1. So when we add them, it will be 50.2. So what is our variation from the mean? Like From the 50, which is the mean value, what is our variation? Either our final answer can be zero point 0.2 more or it can be 0.2 less. That is why the uncertainty is plus minus 0.2 centimeter. So simple way or simple rule to remember, whenever quantities are added, the uncertainty always add. But keep one thing in mind, you should have the same units. Like if the first quantity is in centimeter, the other should also be in centimeter. If the first quantity is in millimeter, the other should also be in millimeter. So that's the first part, the addition of the quantities. The uncertainty always adds the total uncertainty, or if you want to find the compound uncertainty. Is it clear? The first example? Anyone having a doubt or a question?